Hello friends, welcome to another Selenium tips and tricks video. So in this video, I'll show you how you can clear a data from a text box or any field type without using the clear method in Selenium. So we know to clear the data from a text box, we can use the clear method in Selenium, right? But sometimes what happens, the clear method doesn't work out. It won't clear the data in the field. So in that case, what we can do, let's see that in this video. So I'll be showing different methods how to clear the data without using this clear method. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I want to clear this data from this text box and I want to append some other text. Okay. So I have created a class, write data test. It's a test class. Okay. So it has been put in the SRC test Java folder. And I've given the URL, and also I did maximize window, and I've created one more class that is in the main Java class, main Java path, write data page.java. So here we are going to write the function to clear the data and to write a new data. So let me write public void clear and then write the data. So let me just give update data, and we can pass the data as well from the test class. So let's first we launch the URL. Now we have to wait for that particular field, right? And just give a driver wait equal to no. So we have to wait for the particular field, which is this field. Let's find out the web element path for that. So this is the web element path. This is a text area field, right? So let us give text area name equal to code. So I am writing a CSS selector. Okay. So now we have to wait for this text field. Now what we can do, we can clear the data. So without using the clear method, we need to clear the data, right? So we know by using some keyboard keys, we can clear the data from a text box. How we can clear? You can use Control A and you can do a backspace so that it will clear the data, right? So how we can send a keyboard key? So text box dot, you can do send keys, which is keys dot. First we have to select the data, right? So to select all the data, you can use Control A. So first we have to choose Control. Now we have to pass a keyboard character, which is A. So Control A. Now what we will do, we have to pass backspace. So backspace, you can choose keys dot backspace. So in this way you can clear the data. Now what we can do, we can append or we can send new keys. This key we can pass it from the text data. So now this method I will call from the write data. I already created the object. So the object reference is WP. Method name is update data. So it's a new data. Now let us run this file. So it launched the browser. Now it should clear the data. Yes, it is clear. It cleared the data and we have overridden the existing data with the new data, right? Okay. Now another method. So here what you have done, we have passed control A and then we have passed backspace, right? So these actually we have written in a separate lines, right? So actually if you have multiple keyboard actions, what you can do, you can combine all the keyboard actions in a single line. How to do that? For that, let me comment out this, and now you can write text field dot send keys. Using keys dot code, you can combine all your keyboard actions. So first is keys dot control A, then keys dot backspace, right? And we'll clear the data. Now let us run it again. Let's see if it works or not. It worked, right? But in some cases, even this function or this way of writing, this way of clearing the data and writing the data will not work out. In my applications and all, even this method doesn't work out. Even the clear method will not work. This method also won't work. So if these two methods, if both these methods are not working for you, you can try with another method by using the action classes. So let me comment out this also. Let me create the object of the actions class. So actions class is a class in the Selenium framework. Okay. And now what you need to do, you have to move to that element which is text field, and then you can send out the keys. Send keys and the remaining part will be same. And so this is to clear the data, and after this how you can send the data, that is using ac dot send keys data. Now you know, whenever we do some actions with the actions class, we have to give a perform at the end, right? Similarly here also, here we are doing multiple actions, so we need to give build dot perform. So if you are choosing this way of clearing the data, you have to click the field first, okay? Then give this moving to element, and let's see if it works. Not sure if it works because the other methods are working, then probably this would fail. Yes, it doesn't work out. So what you can do, you can go with this method, either this one, writing the clearing the data by writing the keyboard actions in separate lines, or with this method. If none of this works out, you can go with this method. So it should work out, and in my applications and all, I'm using this method because with some of the fields this way of writing will not work out, because we have to focus to that element, we have to move to that element to get the focus of the element. So you have to go with actions class only in that case. Anyway, one of these three methods should work out for you guys. So I hope you have liked this logic. So we will see you with an interesting feature in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thank you.